guys, it's Destiny with
Adonis.
but right now this is me. Yep, this is me right
I'm
here.
gonna stay like this on my Meet City account forever.
He is very short. His name is Kill and my name is Die. Like we are like demons right now. Okay.
I'm gonna change. I'm never gonna change mine. I like this account.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I like my. And this is Bubblegum. I'm gonna change his or her name.
Let me go get my meat. He's in here somewhere. Follow me, guys. I'm looking for him. He's right here. That's my meat. He has double ears.
Yeah, mine does too. I don't know what to name mine though.
Mine is Hugo. I want to change my meat's name, but I don't think I have enough.
I have enough.
Let me see how much money do I have. How much money?
I don't know what to name it, so I'm just gonna name it Sparrow.
I'm going to.
Oh yeah, you just came to me. So what are we gonna be doing today?
We're gonna just be playing Meep City. But I broke my leg today, so we need to go to the hospital.
Oh look at my Meep's name now. It's Sparrow.
But we need to go to the hospital. My leg broke.
Your leg broke? How does a demon's leg break? Okay.
I'm a human, but just dressing up.
Okay, but I'm a demon. Like.
I'm
Oh my
a
gosh,
demon.
Sparrow was just rolling over.
I know, that's what my meat says.
Okay, I'm gonna reset characters so we can just like hurry up and go there.
Alright, but is the video still
Reset,
on?
yeah, reset too.
Okay, I'll reset. Hold on. I need to reset.
Stop! I love like listening to all the chats because this sounds entertaining to me.
The chat? Yeah. But that's new.
Yeah.
That's new. They changed the chat. Like, where are you?
Hugo, come on.
Oh. Hugo. That's
Hugo
not my
and
name.
Killer, come on. Killer, I can name any of them, okay? So which one do we have to go through again? The plaza or the
plaza.
town? The plaza. Okay, let's go Sparrow. You wanna see me go? Oh, yeah. Oh.
She's not always like this. She's just playing right now. We were pretending that we were dying and
Brianna would have played, but like she is very
sleeping. In our room on the floor.
Yep.
Go in the hospital, go on.
Can I? Why are you a demon that you have a wheelchair? Like that makes no sense. It's not gonna even seem like you're scared at all. Like
I'm not putting on suits like when people get sick.
I know.
I didn't break my leg. I just need an operation.
It's not responding.
I need an operation.
Oh, never mind.
Work here so you can operate me.
Why do I have to work here?
So, because I have to ask an operation.
Okay, put on your wheelchair.
No, I don't need one. I just need an operation.
Okay. Sit down, sir. Okay, today we're gonna be pulling out
my horns?
Your guts.
I don't have guts. I'm a demon.
Yes, to make you turn into a demon, bro.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm gonna change my avatar, guys.
Let's go.
I just need to put on wings.
I don't think we can buy wings because we're not plus yet. I'm gonna be a plus later, but
she has Robux.
I know.
She's lucky.
Come
on. I now all I need. You pulled out my guts, and now I'm a normal demon.
Yep, you're now officially a demon. I wasn't gonna be a demon at first. I was gonna be an angel, but like I noticed that he wanted to be a demon, so I was like, haha, I'll be a demon. Okay, let's be a demon. Okay, he just left me. How rude.
What? I need a wheelchair.
Let's go. With your wheelchair looking.
I don't have a wheelchair.
Wanna go get ice cream? I want ice cream. I want black ice cream.
There's no such thing.
I want cookies and cream then. Look, my best friend. No, not my best friend. But I'm gonna get new.
Hey, wait for me. Whose house are we gonna live in this video?
My house.
Alright. You guys saw my house, but actually no, you didn't.
I want the mint. I love mint. Vanilla. and mint. Oh my god, this looks so good. I just want to eat it in real life. I should eat ice cream right now. Okay, look. Let's pull out your guts. Pulling out your guts. Oh my gosh, let's go. I'm like chatting and you're not even chatting. Like,
you're not chatting because you can talk to YouTube.
oh yeah, that's true. But
What the heck? No, I don't want that.
okay, I'm gonna go home. Okay.
I need to get ice cream. Okay.
You teleport to me later. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk there. I haven't had an exercise. A walking exercise. Do you want me to wait for you? Because you took a long time, bro.
No, I'm just getting.
Right, Sparrow?
Alright, I'm coming to you.
I should have got a black meat. I didn't know this day would come that I would turn into this. But it did. Yay, yay.
I can't teleport to you.
You don't have to teleport to me.
Oh, I just walk out?
Yeah, just walk out. I'm here. We're gonna take a walk. We're gonna take a walk, bro. We're gonna walk today.
You sure? Because I'm not. I'm teleporting to your house.
How do you even teleport to someone's house? Not even at my house.
Well, I'm willing to go into it. Let me! Help me! I need to load up!
See, you're right here,
I'm
dude.
right here.
Come on, let's go.
No, I need to teleport now.
You can't do that.
How do you know?
Here, wait. Let me teleport to my house first, and then you teleport to me. That's my house. This is like black, but like it doesn't show a good black. I don't know why.
But
Oh my
look,
gosh.
show her my house. Show them my house, actually.
Her.
Show them.
It's
them
like
my
the
house.
same thing as mine. They saw it at the beginning.
Yeah, but they didn't see the outside.
Yes, they did.
Just show them.
Where is your house? It looks something like... I don't know where his house is. Her house. I don't know where his house is, but it's not on that side.
I can help you find it. It's right there. Right, no, that's your house.
This is my house, the one right there. Okay.
Mine's better than hers.
Oh, yours is... Isn't it right there? It's right over there, right?
I don't know. Yeah, it's that one. Go. Go to them. Go. Go to them. Go over there. I can't talk well. It's like night. We're making a YouTube video at night. Look, that's my house.
This is his house. It looks just like mine, but it's like smaller. Sparrow is sleeping, officially sleeping. I know. I wish I could. Okay, let's go inside my house.
Okay, I'm going. I'm inside.
Welcome.
I'm loading.
Oh. Then don't look, guys. Don't look. You guys aren't supposed to look. Lol. Okay, welcome, guys. This is my house. This is my refrigerator. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna get some ice. Look at my ice cream. It's beautiful. I'm eating it.
I can't. I'm gonna get my own ice cream, bro.
There's ice cream in the fridge.
I know. This is where my maid sleep. This is the adult's room. Yeah. Bada bada.
I'm an adult, but
this is the girl's room. That's the boy's room.
I usually sleep in her room.
Yeah, he usually sleeps right there. Do you want to go to a party? Like,
Yeah.
cause
Which
like
party?
it's already 8 minutes right now, so it's 9 minutes, so it's about to be like 15, and I really need to go. Come on, let's go. Reset character.
Why?
So that we can go to a party. No, wait, you don't reset. I'll tell you when to join.
Guys, I wish I had VIP.
Yeah, he wishes. I'm probably gonna get him Robux. Like, I don't know.
You can't do that. You can't make other people get Robux.
Yes, I can.
Yeah?
What?
What? Okay. Is this one of your friends or mine? I know what one of my friends wants. Beautiful. Are you going to the same party that we went last time?
No, this is a new party, boy.
Ooh, that looks cool.
Everything's loading in here right now.
Yeah, everything.
I'll wait for you right now.
If you
I'm
see
just
my
looking.
head, if you see my head,
Cash. Who would name themselves
do you see
Cash?
my head?
Mm.
You don't?
Mm-mm.
Well, I'm there.
Yeah.
They're loading.
You're not here yet.
That's Jordan? It just said Jordan.
No, it says Jordan. It says Jordan, but it's not Jordan.
I wish it was. She left the game. Oh, I'm alive.
You're here?
Yeah, but I'm in the sky.
I can't see you.
I'm in the sky.
Oh, I see everything. Okay, it's loaded now.
I'm in the sky. Look
He
at
just-
me. I'm in the sky.
Load. He's in the sky. I am perfectly fine.
Oh, I'm in here.
You are?
I don't see you.
Oh yeah, I see you.
Where?
Right here.
I'm on the there.
You're
Oh,
right
I see you.
here.
Oh, I wish I was bigger. I want to see.
Yeah, you should change the character. I hate like in Roblox how they're like, hey, you want to date? Like, why online dating is like, they should ban people for that. Like,
Probably not. You shouldn't say dating. If you say, hey, want a hashtag, that's okay. But you need a, if they didn't like.
see online dating right here. You're cute. Thanks. Oh my freaking gosh. I'm sorry, I just had to say it. Older.
Alright. Well, someone's sleeping. In a dance. Why was there a naked girl?
Online date. Ooh.
Ooh, look at this person. He's a king.
Reported.
Should I bow for this king?
Both of
There's a
you.
king in here. The king's in here.
Hmm?
The king's in here.
Gabby, oh, she left game.
Cause she got jealous.
Yeah, no, I said older. I just reported both of you, and she just left game. I didn't even report them yet. I'll do that later,
The
but
king's right here.
actually, it's not her fault. It's his fault. Where is he?
But the king's right here. Look.
The king? Yeah, I saw the king.
He's black.
I know he passed me. He's like, yeah, anything you want.
There's too much. Why is there a naked man right here?
Ew, that's nasty. Does
You
he have
see him?
pants on? Does he have pants on?
Nope.
Ew, that's nasty.
People like that in Roblox.
I know.
Oh, I get a new friend. Someone's asking me, and it's a boy this time. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Dating. Submit. Okay.
This is too much people.
Someone just joined my game. Like, who just joined my game?
It might be a friend. I got popcorn.
Oh, popcorn! Yay, popcorn!
Where are you?
Oh my gosh, this YouTube video is about to end like later.
Well, should we end it right now?
Yeah. Okay, come
Bye.
here. I'm in the living room.
Well, I'm over here by the popcorn machine.
Okay. Let's say bye.
Yeah, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
See you later, alligators.
Oh my god.
Can we watch it? End the video.
Bye, peeps. Make sure to follow me and follow Leonard.
Subscribe.
And subscribe and like this video. Thank you, and peace.